Hello, students. This is one more experiment of making you people explain in something different manner. Now, basically, what I wanted to say that I am in such an impression that I wanted to start the physical lecture as soon as possible. I have said to few of the students also to make a group and let us get unite at one particular place so that we can proceed the physical lecture. The explanation which is going on right now or which was going on till today is not that satisfactory the way we can do it in a physical form. So if at all it is possible to cooperate, students, please cooperate. Anyway, moving forward to the next topic. But before discussing, let me just make you people revise what we discussed till now in this particular chapter. If at all you remember, students, we proceeded with the concept of organizing. What is organizing? That we have also discussed. Then what is very much necessary for the success of management? That also we have discussed. Then we have discussed if planning is brain and organization is considered as body. Then further we discussed the definition given by Chester Bernard and Louis Allen. Then we move on to the characteristics. We completed the 4 characteristics. Goal oriented activity, different types of goal. Then we discussed planning based. Organization is definitely necessary or organization comes into existence only if planning is there. And then organization to be made a very successful, or if you want to get work done from the others, you need to assign them what? Authority and responsibility. Lastly, we discussed the 4th topic, that was importance to human element. That means human is at the center. Moving further towards flexibility. Now I am reading the sentence by sentence, so please do go for it carefully. Flexibility, students, you all are aware about the word flexibility. Flexibility means what? Changes. Now in organization also you can make necessary changes as and when required. Now I am going through the sentence. When once the organization is formed, there are chances for change in the same. Do you agree with this sentence? જ્યારે બી ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન બન્યું હોય તો ડેફિનેટલી એ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન સેમ નો રહે જ્યારે સ્ટાર્ટિંગથી એને જ રાખ્યું હોય. જેમ જેમ આગળ વધતા જઈએ એમ ચેન્જીસ આવતા જાય. Suitable changes can be made according to the circumstances or situation. જેમ જેમ સિચ્યુએશન અથવા circumstances change થાય એમ તમારે ચેન્જીસ કરવા પડે. The changes or variation can be made when there are major changes. Please do mark it out, the sentence. When there are major changes, I am helping you to out. Please do mark it out. When there are major changes. Sorry. Now this is very important. Major changes in business environment, technological advancement, or new discoveries. Now students, they can ask you that when major changes are required in organization, that is business environment, technological advancement, or new discoveries. I hope you know. Now business environment, that's the last chapter of your particular subject, we will discuss later on. Technological advancements you might be knowing, and new discoveries, they are almost very much similar. So changes is to be made in the organization. Then further, establishment of interrelationship. The organizing establish interrelationship among, please again a very important thing to be marked out. Organization establish relationship among whom? Work, position and division. Students, please do mark it out. Organization establishes interrelationship among whom? Work, position or division. Now let me give you one simple example related to this. My work is to teach Eco and OC in school. So what is my position and in which divisions I belongs to? That is very much necessary to go for it. Okay. So organization establish interrelationship between work, positions or division. It give clarification about the relationship of one work with the other work and one division with the other division. Now what does it means? It makes clarification about one work with the other. That means you can say that if at all production is done, then only sales can be done. If at all production department is working properly, then only sales department will be working or able to work properly. That is called what? A relationship of one work with the other work and one division with the other division. Moving on to the 7th point, monitoring and control. Now students, this is very important sentence. First sentence itself, monitoring, control and coordination are the basic requirement of any organization. Please student, do mark it out, this sentence. It can be asked in form of VSQ also. What is the basic requirement of any organization? That is what? Monitoring, control and coordination. Alright, so first sentence is very important. Whether the employee is performing his task as per the power and responsibility assigned to him or not, that is considered as what? Monitoring. વર્કર જે છે એ બરાબર કામ કરે છે કે નહીં, એને પાવર અને રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી આપી છે એ પ્રમાણે. For such matters, provisions of monitoring and control are found in organization. જ્યારે બી વર્કર્સ કામ કરતા હોય તો વર્કર્સની ઉપર સુપર પાવર રાખવામાં આવેલા હોય છે કે એ બરાબર વર્કર્સ બરાબર કામ કરે છે કે નહીં, રાઈટ? જેમ કે ટીચર્સની ઉપર પ્રિન્સિપલ હોય, લાઈક દેટ વે. Then moving on to the 8th point, that is called group activities. In an organization, many people work together for the accomplishment of a common goal. Now this sentence is very easy. Group might be working to achieve what common goal? Right now, let us take the example. We can say that commerce teachers who are associated with the different subjects, but they are working for the common goal, that is the improvement of the result of board. The organizing provides effective structure to them so that group activity conducted properly. Now effective structure means what? The sequence is followed in such a way that they can do the work in an easy manner or properly. Then further, controlled administrative structure. Organizing is a particular kind of control administrative structure. In any business units, rules and controls are required in order to define relations. The same is found by organizing. Now the second last sentence, again it's an important. In any business units, what are there? That is, rules and controls are required in order to define relationship. That is considered as what? Control administrative structure. What are the rules and regulations to be followed for? That is being informed well in advance so that they can work in a proper manner. Now making you people revise once again all the characteristics. Again I am repeating students, characteristics can be asked maximum for 3 marks. Goal oriented activity. What is called goal oriented activity? There are different types of goal. Which are those different types of goal that we have already discussed previous? There is departmental goals, sub goals, individual goals, group goals, etc. That is why it is considered as what? Goal oriented activity. Planning based means what? The meaning itself makes clear. If at all you want to effectively implement the plan, the structure which you are formed, that is called organizing. So for an organized to be there, it is necessary that a planning must be there. Then comes delegation of authority and responsibility. If you want and work to be done by an employees, તમે employees ને એવું ઈચ્છતા હોય કે work properly કરે, તો તમારે એને authority and responsibility આપવી પડે. What is the reason behind this? Authority એટલે power વગર work સરખું થઈ શકે નહીં. Then further, importance of human elements, where 2 or more people are working, that is considered as what? Organizing. Flexibility, where we started from today. You have to make necessary changes in the organization as and when required. But generally it is required when there is change in business environment. Now business environment, as I said, will be explaining you at the end in the last chapter. Technological advancement or new discoveries. But let me just give you a somewhat introduction of business environment. Business environment means what? Which provides opportunities also and the challenges for the business, right? Then we discuss establishment of interrelationship. Interrelationship between whom? Work, position or division. Excuse me. Then the 7th point, monitoring and control. વર્કર બરાબર કામ કરે છે કે નહીં, એના માટે મોનિટરિંગ અને કંટ્રોલ કરવામાં આવે છે. ગ્રુપ એક્ટિવિટીઝ. કોમન ગોલ અચીવ કરવા માટે ગ્રુપમાં કામ કરવામાં આવે છે, તો ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન એવી રીતે સેટ કરવામાં આવે છે જેથી કરીને ગ્રુપમાં ઇઝીલી કામ કરી શકાય. એન્ડ ફાઇનલી લાસ્ટ, controlled administrative structure. What does it means? That means the second last sentence. In any business unit, rules and controls are required for what? For to define relationship. The same is formed by organizing. Alright students, so if at all you find it comfortable, do let me know. Otherwise, once again I am saying I am very much interested to proceed with the physical lecture.